Hey guys, I have a YJ and I don't like the wipers being up here, so I'm going to do a video on how to, one, flip them to the left side, and two, I bought a WIPEBOY Kit, and that's supposed to make them kind of be on the bottom like a TJ or like the rest of the other Jeeps. So let's see how this goes. I bought this on eBay. It came with these instructions. So I'm going to try to do my best to go step by step on how to install this. So what you're going to need, well actually it came with 2 wiper arms, the blades, and this adapter. This is what's actually going to make it go sit more downwards. So to take the wipers off, you have to go inside. Show them the bolt over here, Roger. You see that bolt right there? You can take that one off or take top ones off, because this windshield's actually going to come down. So I recommend taking 1 instead of 2 because it's easier and I'm efficient. So if you have a soft top, this is going to have to come off. So I'm going to do that real quick and okay guys, so we are going to take this bolt off because it's going to be easier than taking 2 of them. And I forgot to mention that your windshield won't come down without taking these off. And to take this off, I think you need to take this one off.
Hey guys, so what I did right here, remove these 2 bolts right here, and they're T40, the size, and you need to remove that on both sides in order to take off the windshield.
Now let's go for this one.
Okay, so now I'm going to remove this 9/16 bolt at the bottom.
If it gets stuck, you can spray some
WD-40.
Yeah. Why did you do the first one with the wrench and then with the drill?
Because I didn't want to strip the bolt and the drill didn't have enough power to take it off.
Okay guys, so these already came out. Now this one is a T20, so we'll take that out. Hey guys, so now that you're taking your bolt here to here and moved your windshield, your sun visor, now you've taken these 2 and moved your sun visor out the way, you're going to be able to take this out. And don't forget that the last thing is to take this right here for your frame. Be careful not to break this off, and this should just pop out. Okay, now that it's off, you should be able to gently start pushing it up. Don't let your windshield slam. Just easy does it. So just use the flathead. It's super easy. Just kind of like push it out a little bit and keep messing with it till it pops out. There's no screwdriver here, just like that, but be nicer with it.
Okay, so now as you can see, we lowered the windshield. Be really gentle when you lower it so you don't crack the glass or anything. And now this is the wiper motor. What I'm going to do is remove these 2 bolts, and they're T30 size. So let me go ahead and do that.
Okay guys, so this needs to come off, and you just kind of push it off. Try not to mess with this like I tried. It just comes off. It just use a little flathead and push it off like that. Okay. Hey guys, So once you take this off, then you're gonna have to pull the motor off. It's kind of tight, but just mess with it, be gentle with it, and you'll be able to pull it out as such, like that. The instructions say to notate where this arm is facing, so get like a marker or something and just do a little mark so you know how to bolt it back together.
Okay, so next thing you guys need to do is to remove this bolt, and it's a 10 millimeter. So I already took that off.
And this should come right off somehow. So once he took off the, what's it called?
10 millimeter nut.
The 10 millimeter nut, this should pop off. Just be gentle with it. You don't want to damage these little. Okay guys, now this is the most important part, not to damage this following. So to take this off, with the little flat head, gently pull out until it comes off. Do not lose it because it's really hard to find. Okay guys, now to take this part off, you kind of just push it. It's kind of hard. Okay guys, so I was finally able to take this plastic from this is the old one. This black one is the new one. Don't be like me and force it out. Just try not to mess with these little spikes right here at the end. Use the side one, the thick side one. Anyways, I had to put the plastic on the arm first and then push the new adapter because it was just too hard to fit it with the adapter in because I messed with it too many times. Okay, so then you just push this pin back in.
Alright guys, so that pin just clicks on there as I'm showing you right here. After this is done, you're practically just putting everything back together how it was. Those pictures would come in handy right now.
Okay, so now I'm just putting the wiper motor back with the T30 bolts. There's just two of them.
Yep, nice and tight. I lost my bolt on this side a while back, so if you have it, don't forget to put that one on. So now we're putting the windshield back up. Just slides in. Push it. And we're gonna try before we put every single bolt back in and screw. We're gonna see how this looks.
So before you guys put all the bolts and dash and everything back, make sure this twists clockwise, where it basically goes to about here and then it ends up back here. So the way you do that, put your key on the on position and turn on the wipers. I don't know how well you guys can see it in the video, but this basically turns clockwise and then ends up back here.
To show you, we already put it on the passenger side. Go ahead, do it. Yeah. And if you wanted to wipe more, then this is gonna have to go a little bit up more. You just mess with it.
So this basically just snaps back onto place. Just make sure you align it somewhere towards the bottom. Okay, so before you guys push the wiper all the way in, align it to about where you think it should be, and then just slightly push it in, and then turn on the wipers. So this lands pretty good. So now once it's good, you guys can basically push it all the way in, and then take out that little clip right here. So this is basically what it looks like now.
If you want it lower, you can put it lower.
If you want it lower, you can see it can go a little lower, but you would have to adjust it more.
This is what I want.
But this is for our purposes, so we like it in this position. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.